Hello and welcome. I am Professor Sudarshan Kuntluru, one of the program directors of General Management Program for Business Excellence offered by Indian Institute of Management Kozhikode. I am joined with Professor Praveen S. He is also one of the program directors of this particular program. We have been running this program in several batches in the past. Our feedback from the participants was very positive, and the participants have come from diverse academic and industry background. This indicates the strength of the program. This particular program we nomenclated as a General Management Program for Business Excellence.
The program and its contents have been planned to deliver this objective, helping the employees achieve excellence in their respective organizations. And to help you, we have planned the contents as well as the pedagogy and other components to match the expectations of big businesses. Professor Sudarshan will explain the pedagogy is designed to deliver a diverse experience to the participants through different approaches such as case studies, discussion sections, exercises, role play, digitally enabled simulations, and so on. The choice of these different pedagogical styles is strategic to achieve and to appreciate a critical learning nature while delivering management content.
One of the USP in terms of pedagogy is the capstone project of this particular program. Capstone project is a long-run project where the participants are expected to come up with a real-time business problem or societal related issue and start with as a business capstone project proposal and continue working on this for rest of the period and present at the end capstone project presentations. Enhances the learning and results into a excellent project.